A share value equivalent to $4.2700 a coin. The present reach: $4.2104, $4.4283. The earlier day close: $4.2194. The change was plus 0.0506, plus 1.20%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Axie. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost forecast for October 2023. In the first, a share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.73, change for October 18.6%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Before all else cost at $3.73. Most extreme cost $4.32, least cost $3.07. The normal for the month $3.61. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.30, change for November 11.5%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $3.30. Most extreme cost $3.47, least cost $3.01. The normal for the month $3.26. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.24, change for December 1.8%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. To start with cost at $3.24. Greatest cost $3.24, least cost $2.53. The normal for the month $2.93. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.72, change for January 16.0%. A share cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $2.72. Greatest cost $2.93, least cost $2.55. The normal for the month $2.74. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.74, change for February 0.7%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $2.74. Most extreme cost $2.74, least cost $2.21. The normal for the month $2.52. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.38, change for spring 13.1%. A share cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $2.38. Greatest cost $2.38, least cost $1.92. The normal for the month $2.19. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.06, change for April 13.4%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $2.06. Most extreme cost $2.08, least cost $1.80. The normal for the month $1.97. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $1.94, change for May 5.8%. A share cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $1.94. Most extreme cost $1.94, least cost $1.58. The normal for the month $1.79. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.70, change for June 12.4%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.70. Greatest cost $1.70, least cost $1.39. The normal for the month $1.57. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.49, change for July 12.4%. A share cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at $1.49. Greatest cost $1.85, least cost $1.49. The normal for the month $1.64. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.73, change for August 16.1%. Axie to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $1.73. Greatest cost $1.73, least cost $1.39. The normal for the month $1.59. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.49, change for September 13.9%. A share cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $1.49. Most extreme cost $1.49, least cost $1.16. The normal for the month $1.35. A SHIA cost figure toward the month's end $1.25, change for October 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $1.73. Greatest cost $2.02, least cost $1.73. The normal for the month $1.84. A SHIA cost gauge toward the month's end $1.89, change for November 9.2%. A SHIA cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $1.89. Greatest cost $2.34, least cost $1.89. The normal for the month $2.08. A SHIA cost figure toward the month's end $2.19, change for December 15.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $2.19. Most extreme cost $2.19, least cost $1.71. The normal for the month $1.98. The SHIA cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.84, change for January 16.0%. A SHIA cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $1.84. Most extreme cost $1.84, least cost $1.56. The normal for the month $1.73. A SHIA cost estimate toward the month's end $1.68, change for February 8.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.68. Greatest cost $2.09, least cost $1.68. The normal for the month $1.85. A SHIA cost gauge toward the month's end $1.95, change for spring 16.1%. A SHIA cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $1.95. Greatest cost $1.98, least cost $1.72. The normal for the month $1.88. A SHIA cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.85, change for April 5.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $1.85. Most extreme cost $1.85, least cost $1.44. The normal for the month $1.67. A SHIA cost estimate toward the month's end $1.55, change for May 16.2%. A SHIA cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.55. Greatest cost $1.83, least cost $1.55.